Dear students, let's study about oxides. Oxides are binary compounds of oxygen. We can define oxides to be either we say binary compounds of oxygen, or we can say a compound of two elements out of which one is essentially oxygen. So one of the element may be either a metal or a non-metal, but the another one is essentially oxygen, then compound is said to be oxide. So oxides may be classified into two categories: metallic oxides and non-metallic oxides. Metallic oxide, further on the basis of their nature, chemical nature, may be classified as basic oxides and amphoteric oxide, whereas non-metallic oxides by chemical nature can be classified into two categories: acidic oxides and neutral oxide. We'll start with basic metallic oxides. Basic metallic oxide means metallic oxides which are basic by nature. How do we understand a substance to be basic by nature or be base? A substance which reacts with acid to form salt and water as the only product is said to be base. So those metals whose oxides are basic by nature, here are some examples: sodium, potassium, calcium, lead, etc. They combine with oxygen to form their corresponding oxide at different temperature. Sodium is very active metal. It may react with oxygen to form sodium oxide even without heating. 4Na plus O2 will give you 2Na2. Whereas calcium, lead, copper, etc. in order of their reactivity need more or less heating. Like calcium needs some heating, lead even more, copper even more heating, and at higher temperature it reacts with oxygen of the air to form its corresponding oxide, like calcium oxide or cupric oxide. So how do we form basic oxides or metallic oxides? By heating the metal with oxygen. There are other compounds as well which can be prepared. There are some metallic oxide which can be prepared by heating or other compounds. Like calcium oxide can also be prepared by heating of calcium carbonate to form CaO plus CO2. So by heating of metallic carbonate or nitrate, etc. as well, we can prepare a metallic oxide. If a metallic oxide is basic by nature, then it is said to be a base or basic oxide. The oxide which I have formed before, like sodium oxide, potassium oxide, calcium oxide, and copper oxide, lead oxide, these all are examples of basic oxides. Basic oxides dissolve in water to form alkali if they are soluble in water. For example, sodium oxide is soluble in water, so it forms a hydroxide of it, and the bases which are soluble in water, they are said to be alkalis. Similarly, calcium oxide is a basic oxide which can dissolve in water to form an alkali called calcium hydroxide. Children, calcium hydroxide is also said to be lime water and also thought to be slaked lime, whereas sodium hydroxide is also known as caustic soda. So a base means a metallic oxide or hydroxide, both are base. Sodium oxide is also a base and sodium hydroxide is also a base. Calcium oxide is also a base and calcium hydroxide is a base, because definition of base is that a substance which reacts with acid to form salt and water is said to be a base. From that point of view, Na2O as well reacts with any acid like HCl to form salt and water, and NaOH as well can react with acid to form salt and water. The meaning is that a substance which reacts with acid to form salt and water as the only product is said to be a base. So from that point of view, metallic oxide or hydroxide, both which react with acid to form salt and water, they are said to be base. But the bases which dissolve in water to form their corresponding hydroxide, they are said to be alkalis. It means sodium oxide is also base, NaOH is also base, but sodium hydroxide is alkali and sodium oxide is not alkali because it is not dissolved in water. So you understand, all the bases are not alkalis, but all alkalis are bases because alkalis are also basic by nature and bases are also basic by nature. The summary is that metallic oxides or metallic hydroxides which are basic by nature means which react with acid to form salt and water as only product are said to be bases. But only those bases which are soluble in water so that they dissolve in water to form corresponding hydroxide, they are said to be alkalis. All bases are not alkalis because some of the bases are not soluble in water. In the next video, we will discuss about amphoteric oxides and both the type of non-metallic oxides.